Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Halo Watch S6, and on this video we are going to check again the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. But this time, instead of comparing it with a fingertip pulse oximeter, the last video that we have with the heart rate monitoring, we compared it with a fingertip pulse oximeter. This time, we are going to compare the results with a premium smartwatch from Redmi, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we will check the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen, and we'll compare it with a Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We'll have a simultaneous monitoring of heart rate as well as the blood oxygen. If you are interested to see the results of the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Alright, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring function of the Halo Watch S6. Okay, so the Halo Watch S6 has a real-time heart rate monitoring, and as you can see here, when we check our heart rate, it will not continue checking the heart rate if we are not wearing it properly. Okay, the same with the blood oxygen monitoring. So we have here the SpO2 monitoring, and if we are not wearing it, as you can see here, it will alert you that you are not wearing the wearable properly. Okay, so measuring failed, please restart. Okay, but if you are going to wear it properly and check your heart rate, it will provide an accurate result. Okay, let me show it to you. Heart rate, and let's check. Although based on our test, the previous video, the heart rate monitoring of the Watch S6 is a bit slow, and it is not a continuous heart rate monitoring. Okay, it will just provide you the end result, and it's at 75. Okay, but as you can see here, we do have a minimum and maximum. You can set it on the support app for the 24-hour heart rate monitoring, automatic heart rate monitoring, meaning it will just check, okay, based on your activity. For example, you are doing some exercise, it will automatically check without activating. Okay, but it is not a continuous heart rate monitoring. Then next, we have here the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We find the heart rate monitoring of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite to be very accurate. We already compared it with several premium smartwatches and fitness tracker, and so far the result is on point or accurate. Let's check. Let's have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate here. Then let's have our Watch S6. Our Watch 5 Lite here do have a continuous heart rate monitoring, but we'll still be able to see, okay, if the Watch S6 do have similar results with the Watch 5 Lite. Okay, let's see if what is the beats per minute here, and we can compare it here. So 81, 83, we do have 77. Again, as you can see, we do have 77. It's just late, but I think it's the same results here. Again, if it plus or minus 3, that's okay. That's a good result already. So 72, 70 range, 73 or 75 range, and as you can see, the same results here. Again, So 71, still measuring, and we have 77. Okay, 73. As you can see, the last one is 73, and we do have here 73. Okay, so that's, I think it's okay. So it's a bit slow for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, but I think the heart rate monitoring is accurate. Okay, after the heart rate monitoring, let's have a test for our blood oxygen monitoring. As you can see here, we changed the position. Okay, just to check. Okay, let's see. We have the blood oxygen monitoring here. Then let's measure. It's now measuring. Also remember that you have to wear the smartwatch properly to be able to have a reliable results. It's now measuring. As you can see, we do have here 95%, 96 for the results, and it's now calibrating, and we have 96. We'll have a second test after this. Still waiting for our Watch S6. It's a bit slow. We have 96, so it's the same results here as you can see. Okay, so let's have another one. Measuring, keep still. Again, so far the first one is the same. We have the same results. Let's see for the second test. So we have 97 here, 99%, 98, and we have 98%. Let's see with the other one, the Watch S6. Just a few seconds, we'll have the result. We have 99%. Okay, so far we do have a very good result for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite as well as the Watch S6. They almost have the same results for the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. Meaning, although this is very affordable, a budget-friendly smartwatch, the sensor for the Watch S6 is still good. Okay, they do have a very good sensor for the Halo Watch S6 when it comes to health monitoring. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.